Hello and welcome back to Angus's Oldish Manse Diaries. Today I'm going to be tackling some vegetation. I've got a beech tree growing, well, several beech trees growing out my sandstone wall, so they'll need to be removed because next year I'll probably be line pointing this whole wall. It'll need to be raked out and an accurate line pointing mixed up to match the colours and the aggregates that are currently there. So in order to do that, I've got to tackle some of the vegetation just to keep it under control until next year. How far I get today, I don't know, because it looks like we're in for a tremendous thunderstorm because there's some thunder clouds just appeared. But anyway, regardless, I'm going to battle on with the vegetation. I've already got rid of a cotoneaster, which I'm treating to kill it back to the root. But it's uncovered the original well for the house, which again I'll have to do a wee bit of stonework on it. But that'll wait till next year. But yeah, just tackling some of the vegetation just now. There's also extensive ivy around the back of the garage and the cherry tree, which I'm currently working on to remove. But yeah, this will have to be removed so I can get access to the wall to repoint it. It looks like a fir tree or a leylandi of some description, which will all need cut back. And then on the gable end of the workshop, there looks like there's a Rowan that's beginning to take hold, so that'll have to come down. You can see the ivy as well as engulfing the slate roof, so this will all have to be bush cut back. So it's quite a job, but I'll start tackling that today. As you can see, I pruned back some of the cherry tree as much as I could away from the house just now with my pruning saw, but I'm awaiting an actual chainsaw to arrive so I can really tackle. I need one with about a 16-inch bar to get around the thickness of the trunk, so that'll have to be removed because this is threatening the garage. But you can see the wall as well is needing repointed, and there's a lot of ivy that's growing in it, so there's quite a bit of work to be done here. Well, that's me taking some more limbs off the tree with the pruning chainsaw, which there's a limit to the thickness of what I can take off, but it allows me to take the main branches off the tree, and it's looking much better now. So when the chainsaw arrives, I should be able to tackle this one and remove the whole tree.